Alright, Abusia, Yamasha Bibia. So yesterday, BBC, Wija, you see, company big SC. Na Abusia, who video na came na, who say, ye fire service phone, Omuna, Omudi, Kia, any issue boom, almost, and some of them bet me a doom a channel. Now we live in a country the government in power do not think about Sanyama Winina. Mind you say Nkofu Wina Omniama Ashi every blessed month, every blessed day. These are investors. Now I will say before other investors be banned, they will see the Omehuniamana Air Cost Chrono. Now say we sit in this country and we pack our priority and say you could turn private jet for I'm a president and then a bush for any NDC for a bit name no mudina now a Duma GHANAFUO and I said the safety of Ghanaians is not their priority here. Then we are lost, we are crazy as a country. That is the fact. Say yes, you bet set up grow in 2025. Say our president John Dramani Mahama abba been for 10 good months. And since I won't buy record no say a jashish and a tongue kurumham and also sing another 8 years. Within 10 years of power, a jashish and a she from first Yadina to Subesi and then. A doors will sing Nana Dankwa 8 years of power. But these people, these NDC people, dreams and by this time, Uko yes, our budget and our budget when I'm with the present 2026 and can be catch a GHANAFUO say, no better private jet, I bet you find you, Emma, a fire service for say, just me bar, or bet to mine, and we are more do a jana. And GHANAFUO be boajibosu do. GHANAFUO be boajibosu do. But because the people now almost sorry and pa ekotwa bamamuno, you don't think about them in general. You see, who be top private jet? One can so be him. Fashion bre GHANAFUO. Yena ye bre fashion bow. What's your video that you're going to post? It's sad. It is sad. This is a country we feel say we are okay and say the BACO and my full froswa yet come yesika and the common in the name of say ye paiding a bra or phone on krom hano or monkasa or bre. You see, Nana do Danko Akufado since independence, no ye wo fire service training school ba akupe e Ghana ha. President John Dramani Mahama wa ba pen podu wa nyeshi mfa ho. It takes Nana do Danko Akufado na mu bebre na mu si ne temu e den awa wan dream Ghana. It takes that man to give us 2 training schools of this fire service for. Inti wo President John Dramani Mahama wa be at least equipped these people. Momu niyama omu here send be ometuma ye adwuma e jasisi ebe na hifa na eshi ukrom ha ene you call on mana fire service for like they will be able to off the fire send your money very send your money na because they don't have the equipment. But this is what we voted for. We are all prioritizing the see or mining course. This is what we voted for. This is what we voted for, and we see we see these food soldiers and food soldiers in the comment section. On Sunday in some full they will come and write nonsense in the comment section. But the reality is there. You are seeing it. You see, these people, these are investors. Free different country, and now they are investing in our country. And yet they are employing your people, employ your people. And see, what do you have to do as a government? Provide, make the atmosphere, make the environment safe for them, so that different people can also come and invest. Say me invest am musica. Na me who say investors no more Ghana as a every blessed day. I should also come. Me be risky me for musica and be to Ghana, be investing in Ghana. Na it's hard and cancer. Is that what you are telling us? The fact is the fact. It is a government in Korea was saying you sorry na mon can't say, hey, abai, you to abamo say yeah, BBC. But these things are still going on. Am I doing because of what? Pastor, sorry for na mo krohan. Na my doing wanda. As a shinsi. I was sad. In Ghana, this is Ghana for you.
Cause man reject him. Neko David in chain. Neko anointing ye king because on na choose no. Enti onyame timi reject king and a president. Emo onyame say choose another king and as a president.
Has God rejected President?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won in some.
Why? How?
So owo spiritual eye. Na se obeka no kra. Uhu clouds a ewo Ghana ha no mo. Obi face e hye clouds no a e hye tears. Onyame bu afu.
Say that again.
Unu ade afere clouds.
Yes.
Mununkum. Obi anim e hye mununkum a e hye tears. God being so good, onyankopon sman angels so omumfa bow enso so tears no. Sebeya and drop down. Antisa calamity ebesi oman because onyankopon say ne ma e wo Ghana ha na watie ne ma mpaebo nti punishment bi a e set to oman bi so ana oman so enam obi nti wa man angels at bow asoso ena omudi asi nchen ena onyankopon se Ghana fo nim na so mu go wrong against the onu nyankopon decide no say Charlotte say yo say ye hwan yo onyankopon be masa tears no agu Ghana and say gu Ghana esuma Ghana fo e be experience no ene bra Ghana fo be bre no obi antimi be mu nyankopon because
it's getting more controversial and more complicated.
shame so be many ni waste ene ne nan ene ne nsa ene onyankopon di na gina honom e twen judgment na sani pako ne wi e be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana penfo bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God, pure Ghana, no more person be kind of way. Obitimi soreka se di entina, we a prophet, or professor about election. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. So Nyankopo you see all prophets. And more prophesy. After government, next already 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyame kasa ma frebi ama government. Not just a source of Romukasano. They don't know their scriptures. Omuko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sing no nyame na tuhene. Onyankopon kasa efa o mebia ho. Onyankopon ani wo mebia akonya ho. Obi bi obetina o mebia akonya so onyame ni hu bi. So abefa kwambo ni so obe wi mo so obe dey onyame ni hu bi. But judgment need to honor. God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Why Ghanaian?
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Now, I'm person be a challenging. Man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5,
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. BBS woman we say mu. I'm surprised. Send me petimi yes idea.
Is it murder? Is it what?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enunti onyankopon bu fu so. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi upon didi matema don't mind. Because mu didi matema me found because Jesus Christ we didi na tem. Se GHANAFUO nim no mu sran ma John Mama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi tran Ghana. Mo pa mo date into.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame se menka. So I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa?
You are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa?
The president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect president. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan.
The reason I make us say onyankopon ebufui Josaphat because onyankopon so reject Ahab and then the wife Jezebel because emoja woman saho woman left here abofonso timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba timer Ahab onyankopon decide so obekum a Josaphat cause wa kwako help no ko nyame kum Josaphat obi a nyame rejecting no ye help no ye moa no.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President?
Abusianfo so fellas Pacho for you Minister of State at the Presidency in charge of government communications. So on the Kasama President Mahama. Then on Metro TV Good Morning Ghana Wakasa or CMPP CPC unit 2028 elections now. I just hear the Judas Kennedy Japan Abbas your flag bearer. Now NDC and then I can see in 2028 you know. Of a sort and say what do MPP party or no political party NDC no. No but NDC done to me mind to watch and candidate our best. I will bet me to me a free or no party NDC some and my MPP like doesn't make sense. Oh fellas got you for send your why just any you skin crack to look at the luxury you are living in. Expensive new cars, brand new cars I was driving, and then because I'm a show PA, the top say we are seeing. I would do what and you are telling us, say what time who so much so that what possess our luxury or there were woody in a oshre. Opens all party free a bear now lose position. Now lose cars in this candy who advise MPP acquire a befaso. I did to me about political party like does it make sense? Same way, another man, same way. One will be to me, and the other. It will only sway the minds of the gullible. Be as if you but I know the MPP delegates, majority of them are discerning and they are not going to fall for this cheap lies. They know, say, NDC and supporting in Japan. We invest a lot of time on resources. In fact, I'm dedicated on social media team. No, I'm a Canadian Japan. My critical do accounts are baby. I have a TikTok, Facebook. Omoya campaign market in Japan. Who posted Dr. Baumia picture, no my baby attack you. O can't in Japan, I said, man, no my baby attack you. And we know the entire key personalities in NDC, including Kevin Taylor. Omoya campaign market in Japan. It's because they know, say, MPP in Japan, but a very cool chopper my NDC. They will win the elections without breaking a sweat. A bear walk in the park for them. Hombre really easily. Because the kind of things that they have on Canada, Japan. Who they can Japan, but in less than 24 hours, they will collapse MPP. Your campaign, they will collapse our campaign way ahead of time. And you can't say any more about him now. And yes, I videos here I play on social media. What did he matter? What they must see did you matter? What did he and for them? Did the lawyer for them? Did the judge for them? Did the farmers at any move? And Yamas while the case here or Modiaco free they are waiting to bring it up. And there are things, contracts and corruption, challenge. And may say, hey, some of the things I was telling people that some of the things that make cry me walk. That make us say me there about what and people never MPP anymore. So sometimes now yɛatwe break kakra. You see, NDC for no much work Dr. Baumia. Because so many will say economy or more they bomb Hosafon. Yeah, Dr. Baumia, but they cannot do that. I didn't hear. Because there are documentary evidence. NDC are buying Sankasa. Anna Aka. Bank of Ghana, governors, Mahama appoint you Omaka. I say exchange rate CBA agent and answer Dr. Baumia. Rich ideas, inflation from Dr. Baumia. And they are afraid they say 2028 you play elections, you know. Near this hard document in a bar on Tiam. Ebema GHANAFUO who say, COVID I buy say you see a big car Ghana and a Madia too. Dr. Baumia granted the idea say buy Amaya recover from that economic global economic problem. See, they know say Baumia is a threat. That's why they are doing that Omoya campaign here, Dr. Baumia. MPP for let's wise up. Let's wise up. Yeah, to Obama, Dr. Baumia is the only person who bet in to me. Don't waste time on any other candidate.